out rough, huh?
Yeah, it's a rough one.
You get stuck on rough.
Thank you. Dang, I'm impressed, dude.
I'm too.
That thing did it.
I'm impressed that I didn't fall onto you.
Dude.
I'm back.
I caught the end of it, though.
Right there. That's where I want that Fusion Pro. This little revolver they just don't have the nuts.
Yeah.
I keep landing on your ankles, man.
That's fine.
I wore my boots today. Yeah, at least I'm not landing on his ankles. With a 12-pound capper.
No?
I'm always in the wrong spot in the wrong time. Every time. Yeah, this one's just as heavy as his now. Yeah. After when he had it.
I guess I'll jump in mine.
I'm trying to climb the line in it. I was trying to climb the line. Oh, it didn't work.
This one?
I was trying to climb the line.
Oh. Ah! Oh, no, I don't know. Right. For like port. Huh? Are you saying it's bad juju?
see, now I think you need to start smoking now.
Are you saying it's bad juju?
Look at that. He's gonna make
There you go. There you go. Yes. First one. Good job, Johnny.
Right. That's the main tweet.
so afraid that that's what's gonna happen to me.
Oh, going up that?
Yeah. Be so scared.
Give me 170. crazy one.
Oh, I was saying, let me get out of your way.
I was trying to save you, dog.
I was trying to grab all this car. It's that bottom scoop plate. Oh, wow. It always does that.
Hey, so what upgrades have you done to that guy yet?
This?
I just got mine Wednesday.
Minus the fact that I need to change the battery, but...
What stock did you go with in the front?
I did... These are the 90s.
Yeah,
These are the 90s. For the...
Still no? That's a tough one, man.
Yeah, it is. Oh, okay, on the inside there, alright.
Yeah. Are you the one that had the red one?
No, I got the
Ah, dude.
reach is 120, but when they're fully compressed, they compress down to the size of the 110. So,
Because my desert was compressed to like a 63 and open to on the 90.
Oh!
is that extra?
Try. There goes the rock. I hope you guys didn't move that.
Now.
That's crazy. What's wrong with the rock today?
How do they feel?
Not very grippy.
Yeah, they're kind of wet.
Really?
They're still damp. Did you make it in the pin?
There you go.
Just to that point.
There you go.
Yeah, I couldn't get up the darn thing
Jesus.
this morning. I got all the way up to it where you're at, and I could not get past that part. I know, usually that's the part you go up.
Yeah, you go all the way to the left.
Yep.
But no, this morning it was like, nope, I don't like anybody's tires.
There you go. Grab it. That's how you do it.
Yeah, when in doubt, grab it out.
Crab cakes. There you go.
I know it's crazy. As soon as the rig goes into the crab steer, it just up. Like,
Because it forces your traction.
yeah, it's just up.
Come on, cheese.
All that over there.
I don't know.
Oh.
The crack of doom.
It's done it many times before, though. That truck knows the lines.
It's just...
This follow
Take too
this
long, so the tires
line.
cool off.
Cruise control.
Hey, giddy up before my tires cool off.
Yeah. Get the tires all warmed up. I made it up because everyone left rubber on the rock. I just followed the rubber
Go to
trail.
the white rock. Like I did.
Take yourself to the rock. To the rock. And then use that little crack right before the rock in your back tire.
Yeah.
Put your pin in there.
Oh!
I was too far down. I had to turn.
Those are awesome tires, though, huh?
Dude, I don't know. Those are working, dude.
I would have never thought of pins being a rock crawler tire.
Usually it's a dirt track kind of thing, but like it's skinny enough.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta think about like blueberry tracks. They use
Nice
tires, smooth dirt surface.
Yeah.
Grip hella good on them, you know.
There it is.
Yeah,
you got that.
Yep.
Slow.
There it is. It's gonna do it. Yeah, buddy.
Cool, that sinking like quick. It was awesome.
Yay! Hopefully the string don't break.
This is how it looks without the case.
Oh, looks good with the case.
Look how it looks without the case. Better with the case on, huh? You left the case. The case is better on. Take me up a bit.
Oy. Hey, the puffy kitty. There you go. Nice.
I just gotta get it from the swamp. Whoa. The float. Ever watch Swamp Water?
Oh yeah? Or you dump it on your head? Yeah, right on your back and stuff.
Yay! Now I knew it. There it goes.
Take a lollipop. Get it all slobbery. I rub it on my jeans, and then I lock it in.
Nice. There you go. There you go. There you go. Cheat that rock.
Oh, there's the line, John. You good, bro? I thought you were just heading up away.
Oh, I heard that Lexan crack. Sounded like it did.
Are you ready? I'll them some
Sounded
more
punishing.
It did.
I'm just gonna set you back right there.
Rear steer the other way, Cody. Get that rear end to pop up.
Yeah, there you go.
Just like that. Yeah.
Wow. See?
Magical.
Shoot, like I'm not going nowhere. I ain't moving. Where'd you go on?
The Bansky beat. There you go.